Balance 574 Legacy is an elevated take on the iconic 574 silhouette, featuring a chunkier midsole and exaggerated design elements. This particular model boasts a unique colorway that blends classic tones with a pop of purplish-grey. The toe box is crafted from breathable light grey mesh, and a premium grey suede overlays the toe cap, adding a touch of texture and durability. The mid panel features suede materials in a darker grey, adding depth to the design. A light grey iconic New Balance end logo is stitched over a larger off-white end, making the logo pop against the dark grey suede backdrop. The heel tab is made from beige synthetic leather, providing a smooth texture. The New Balance branding is embossed in slightly darker tone, maintaining a subtle and classic look. Below the heel tab is a textured dark grey material that resembles rough suede or felt-like fabric. This material adds a unique rugged aesthetic to the shoe. The shoe comes with round white laces that thread through flat grey eyelets. The tongue is crafted from padded grey mesh and features a woven New Balance label. The outsole features a rugged, textured pattern designed for traction and durability. The central part of the sole has a series of triangular lugs, which are spaced apart to provide grip on various surfaces. Surrounding the central lugs, there are broader rectangular grooves towards the edges, enhancing the shoe's stability and grip. The 574 Legacy stays true to the heritage of the 574 line, while offering a modern twist in material selection and colorway. This colorway offers an interesting play on neutrals, with the combination of beige, off-white grey and dark grey. It remains a versatile shoe, but provides a touch more visual intrigue compared to a completely grey version. The New Balance 574 Legacy fits true to size. However, I would recommend going up half a size for a wider fit. Thanks for staying to the end and hope you've enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing to support the channel, and also check out this other unboxing video on the New Balance 574 Classic.